Konnichiwa Weeb Gang, स्वागत है आपका एनिमे रिव्यू के एक ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड में। लेट्स रोल द इंट्रो फर्स्ट।
I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
मैं हूँ अरिमा और आपका स्वागत है एनिमे रिव्यू के एक जस्ट जोकिंग, इतना भी बुरा नहीं है। Hope you like the intro, and before we get anywhere close to the video, let's make it clear कि there are legit spoilers ahead. क्योंकि बिना spoilers के मैं ये मूवी के रिव्यू नहीं कर सकता, because this movie is so good, so damn freaking good that it needs some story plot and like some advisory. But कुछ भी हो, लोग तो spoiler दे ही देते हैं।
कुछ पूछा मैंने कुछ साले मैंने
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। आई एम नॉट अ वायलेंट पर्सन, बट स्टिल इट्स अ जनरल ओपिनियन कि अगर मैं कितना भी स्पॉइलर फ्री रिव्यू करूँ, कोई ना कोई कमेंट में स्पॉइलर दे ही देगा। आज हम करने वाले हैं अ साइलेंट वॉइस, या फिर बोलूँ कोई नो कताची का रिव्यू। जी हाँ, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रीशियस लाइक डियरेस्ट मूवी, नियरेस्ट टू द माई हार्ट, एंड दिस मूवी it has some real kick to it, and this movie alone like counts in top 10 of my like movies worth investing your time list. And this was some real great story and plot line, and that was really like I was really happy with that. Let's talk about the information of this movie. This movie has drama in it. Yes, obviously it has very great Japanese drama in it. That drama which like speaks to the people's heart. That kind of drama it has. It is based on school life and it is shonen. According to my knowledge, there was nothing kind of shonen in it, but still, if someone prefers shonen, then I wouldn't argue with them, because there is a huge character development and plot development is really huge. Like at the start of the movie, it's something, and at the end, it's really something. And that character development right there belongs to that shonen culture, and that's why I won't question anything. But on the other hand, this movie was a real bliss to watch right from the start. It will like it first you will feel like the story is really not that gripping at all, and it has a lot of like the plot is very weak and something, because you can't develop interest on like kids on a school life, but later on it's very gripping. Let's look at the first visual of the movie. The first hands-on impression I'm gonna tell you, the animation of the fishes, the light like exposure and the control of the texture, that was really remarkable. Like that animation alone deserves a 9.5 out of 10, or the most present animation, because that was really great. Okay, so he tore apart the calendar, but
Thank you so much for everything, sir. For all of this, how does 30,000 sound?
I'm not getting like a good feeling, a good vibe out of it, because when someone says to you, thank you for everything, that means something, right?
I want to close out the account.
Okay, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था जैसा हम सोच रहे थे, वैसा बिल्कुल भी कुछ नहीं था. It was just a gift to his mom, I guess. Yeah, nice kid. But why is he's on a bridge? क्यों भाई ब्रिज पे क्यों गया? Like why all of a sudden? What's the context क्या है इसका? हो भाई नहीं, what? भाई क्या ही हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Like ऐसे क्यों चला गया? इतना मेरे को लगा मम्मी को बर्थडे गिफ्ट दे रहा था, ये क्या कर दिया इसने? Like कूद गया, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. Like अच्छा शोनेन, अच्छा यही है क्या शोनेन? ओके एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, सोचा था वैसा करने का, बट क्यों भाई, तुमको मरना क्यों है? बट फ्रॉम हिज आईज लाइक आई वुड से दैट देयर इज लाइक जिंदगी में ऐसे समय होते हैं वेयर यू फील लाइक डाइंग इज बेटर ऑफ लिविंग, सो ही माइट बी गोइंग थ्रू दैट फेज, सो आई वोंट लाइक आर्ग्यू अबाउट दैट.
Everyone, take your seats. We have a new student that'll be joining our class today.
जिसको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं बता दूं, दिस इज अ टाइम जंप टू द पास्ट, यहाँ पे वो बच्चा था. Okay, so a girl is like admitted to his school. Okay, admitted. Why am I saying admitted? तो hospital में होता है.
Okay, class.
So the main protagonist stopped taking his pencil. That one thing has like a huge influence on the weeblets. Whoever weebs are watching right now, they might get very influenced by that particular scene. So she says that if you want, this is my notebook, and if you want to converse with me, use this as a tool for conversation, and you may write on this thing, and we can converse. But why? Okay, so she says the same thing that I said right now, so there's no explanation needed. And you want to talk to me? Please use this notebook. Okay, so actually there is some reason why this girl uses this notebook. क्यों उसने ऐसा क्यों use क्यों कर रही है वो उस particular notebook को? She could have used like normal talking and stuff like that, but हर चीज़ का एक reason होता है, तो इसका भी कोई reason होगा ना? The reason is so she can't hear. Actually, the reason is she can't hear, and most probably she can't even talk fluently. एक वेग गेस दे रहा हूँ, बट स्टिल बात ऐसी है कि वो बोल नहीं सकती, वो सुनने नहीं सकती. बट दिस वाज हिट इन ट्रेलर वेरी नाइसली. What does it take to fit in a world where acceptance seems impossible? Those are some deep words. What does it take to find redemption in a society where everyone neglects you? Sometimes the answer is as simple as learning to listen. Some really great words. Like when I first saw the trailer of this anime, I saw the anime first and then the trailer, so I felt it very hard hitting to my heart. But still, the trailer was to the point. Let's jump to the next visual.
Hey, Shoko.
So if someone is weak, the stronger one will bully him. So they are kind of doing the same thing over here.
What do we have here? Does that mean you can actually hear?
But I personally hate this stuff क्योंकि यहाँ तक आके मुझे literally मुझे वो लड़की पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है? From right now I'm stating that मुझे वो लड़की बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. Not because I saw the movie, but because I'm having this first hands-on experience. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुझे वो लड़की बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, because her behavior is not compatible with the society. क्योंकि वो जो कर रही है वो गलत है. Bullying is crime. What the fuck? क्या था ये?
Is that earwax? That is so gross!
भाई दिमाग से पैदल है क्या भाई? एक ईयरिंग एड लगभग 27,490 से 36,990 तक आता है. इतने में तू खुद बिक जाएगा बच्चे. I mean sorry, ऐसे सब नहीं बोलना चाहिए. But still that was some really bad thing to do. 1, 2, 3. If my maths is correct, अभी तक तो उसको लाख रुपए का खर्चा हो गया होगा. And then this scene comes. अब तुम किसी भी चीज को ओवर एक्सर्ट करोगे तो अच्छा थोड़ी ना रहेगा वो.
Oh no, she's
So she actually got hurt to extent that her ears got cut from a part and खून बहने लगा. Obviously वही होता है जब कट होता है तो.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
कहिए.
क्या होगा अगर हम नजरअंदाज करते रहें किसी कारण से और कोई अनलॉक कर दे अपनी दिमागी क्षमता का 100%?
100%?
जी हाँ सर.
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं.
एक्चुअली यही मेरी फीलिंग्स थी जब मैं इसको देख रहा था. मैं बोला कि कोई कितना ही सिली हो सकता है जो इतने नॉर्मल सी चीज़ को, लाइक छोटी सी चीज़ को ना समझ पाए कि चीज़ें कितने एडवर्स हो जाते हैं अगर तुम चीज़ों को संभालो ना. बट this particular scene is so marvelously handled. Let me show you once again. This is the female protagonist from the kid, and this is her real self right now. And there is a smooth transition, like motion blur के साथ एक smooth सा transition हुआ दोनों scene में from the eyes of like the boy.
Shoko! Hello. Do you remember me? We were in elementary school together.
हाँ, तेरे को भूल कैसे सकती है वो? तू तो उसके सपनों में आता है ना. You haunt her in her dreams.
Yeah, Ishida.
अब बेचारी बड़ी कंफ्यूज है. एक तो उसके बचपन का बुली आ गया जिसकी वजह से उसको स्कूल छोड़ना पड़ा था, और एक वो आके बोलता है हे मेरा नाम इशिदा है. तो अब वो रिएक्ट करे तो करे कैसे भाई? अब तूने ऐसा टाइप से बोल दिया. सो वो खुश होए कि तूने जो उसके साथ किया उसकी वजह से वो तुझसे गुस्सा होए कि होए तो हुए क्या. लाइक what would her current situation be? Because she's so confused कि इसने ऐसा अप्रोच किया क्यों. ठीक है, that's one thing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
ऐसे सिचुएशन में कोई भी यही करता है. जब तुम्हें समझ में ही नहीं आया कि तुम्हें सीन पे करना क्या है, you run away from it, and that's actually what the female protagonist does. And I feel like literally bad for her, but what can we do except feeling it? So these were the visuals from flashback. मैं तुम्हें बता दूं. First the boy bullies the girl, then girl suffers and she leaves the school, and the rest of the people start bullying this kid because he bullied someone else. So it's like a killer killed a killer and the number of killers remains the same. Something like that happened. So I felt like really bad for this kid also. Animation. The animation is so beautiful. The background sound hits the perfect spot. The camera in this is moving and the perspective of the trees changing along with the motion of the camera. Like that motion tracing thing is like super amazingly traced. And this is not a movie of current generation. I mean, it is of current generation, but आजकल का नहीं है.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
It's back from 4-5 years, and back from 4-5 years और ऐसा type का animation, like that's some real like that was some really good. But this movie encloses a great सीख, एक बहुत ही बड़ी सीख है कि गलतियां सबसे होती हैं, but it all depends on that you realize your fault and you apologize for it. मूविंग ऑन. इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ बुलिंग के बारे में है और सिर्फ दया आ रही है आपको. इसमें बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें भी हैं. जैसे इसमें एक जो एट द एंड, लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर सीन एट द एंड इज द बेस्ट, लाइक द बेस्ट सीन वेयर द गाय इज लाइक when he gets bullied, he's cornered and he's alone, and then he leaves that one corner and moves to the society to see what it has been, and then he opens his eyes and sees everyone as humans, not as enemy. And then तब उसको जो hit होता है ना, this particular scene deserves a 10 out of 10. So this was some really good scene. He sees his friends over there, sees his family over here, everyone is waving at him, everyone is cheering him up. He sees the female protagonist and he sees everyone, and then he's like कि मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं देखा ये सारी चीज़ें. जिंदगी और रंगीन हो सकती थी. Like he had that one feeling. Then he starts crying. He didn't want to cry, but he starts crying and he can't stop it. And that was actually me after watching this whole movie. I cried like relentlessly, but even I didn't want it to cry. Something like that. He sees all of them. Like this particular scene from the beginning of the movie, like फिर से आता है, and then it says a ray of light, a hope of light. Like that's some real great direction part. क्योंकि तुम किसी चीज़ को बिगिनिंग ऑफ द मूवी से एट द एंड ऑफ द मूवी खींच के लाओ एंड देन क्रिएट अ ब्यूटिफुल इम्पैक्ट, दैट इज सम डिफरेंट लेवल एनी डायरेक्शन थिंग. एंड मैं ऑल इन ऑल बोलूँ, दिस मूवी डिजर्व्स अ 9.6 आउट ऑफ 10. सिंपली बता रहा हूँ, 9.6 आउट ऑफ 10 इज द by far most like points gathered by any movie that I have reviewed so far. So I'm saying that this movie like definitely deserves a thumbs up, and you must watch it with your family friendly है, with your friends. बहुत ही cool plot है, क्योंकि मैंने इसमें इतने सारे spoilers नहीं दिखाए हैं, just the plot gripping spoilers. And that was it for today. Like, this was the whole review of Koe no Katachi. होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो अपने प्यारे प्यारे वीप दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, और अगर मेरे चैनल से आपको और भी सारी चीज़ें देखनी है देन नोटिफिकेशन वगैरह जो भी होता है उसको भी ऑन कर लेना, क्योंकि नोटिफिकेशन से आपको डायरेक्ट पता चल जाएगा कि मेरा वीडियोस कब आ रहे हैं. ठीक है. एंड लाइक ज़रूर कर देना यार, ज़रूरी है यार, लाइक कर देना. एंड तब तक के लिए अलविदा. मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते एक नए वीडियो के साथ.
虜になってしまえばきっと